Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to enable or disable function named waterlock on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Let's get started, but firstly, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, first, what is the waterlock function? This function is blocking your watch so you won't be able to do anything with it, but only see the actual time right now. It blocks the water from clicking on your screen and accidentally doing something you want. This is especially helpful when you are showering or swimming with your watch. So, how to turn it on? Firstly, wake up your watch by clicking this home screen. After this, swipe down and swipe left until you will see this icon with 2 drops on it. Click on it and the waterlock is now enabled. As I said before, you won't be able to do anything with your watch but only see the time. Now you can easily swim or take a shower with the watch on your wrist. Now, to disable the waterlock, you would need to hold this home button for about 2 seconds. You will hear special sounds which will get out the water out of your watch. And as a last step, don't forget to shake off the water from your watch. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.